Bacterial diseases, tuberculosis, and cholera for Edexcel by KayScience.com. Tuberculosis, or TB as it's known as, is caused by a bacteria. The bacteria infects the lungs. The damage can be seen when someone with TB coughs. When they cough, they're going to cough a blood-speckled mucus. That means that their mucus, their phlegm, will have blood in it. So TB is spread by sneezing and coughing, or the exchange of mucus from one person to another. It can be seen as an airborne disease, as it is inhaled by someone. Now someone has the TB bacteria inside their lungs, they're going to get a fever, and that fever can cause death. And when this person coughs up phlegm, it's going to have blood in it. Because TB is a bacterial infection, you can use antibiotics to kill the bacteria. The antibiotics are going to kill the bacteria called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Cholera is a bacterial infection most famously transmitted via drinking water that has the bacteria cholera in it. A cholera infection prevents water reabsorption, so all the water just goes straight through your body, leading to severe dehydration that can kill you. When you pass feces, the cholera bacteria is in the feces, so the feces is a vector. And if that diarrhea with cholera in it enters the water system, people can drink that water with the cholera bacterium inside it, so the water is now a vector. And if someone now drinks that contaminated water, they are highly likely to get an infection of cholera. They too are going to have severe diarrhea as well as a fever, which can kill them. In this case, the vectors for cholera are the diarrhea and the water. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.